I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to make a snack every kid will love, pizza bagels. For this recipe you're going to need mozzarella sauce, bagel, my favorite type of bagel, the everything bagel, and a sheet of mozzarella cheese. Our first step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. After you've preheated it, you're going to start toasting your bagels. The reason you toast your bagels is so that the sauce does not make it soggy. I've toasted my bagels for about 6 to 7 minutes, and now they've become a little bit crunchy. Now you want to put your sauce on and spread it out. Once you've spread it enough, you're going to put your cheese on and put a little bit more sauce on top. Now I'm going to take my bagels and put them onto a baking tray. Once they're on the baking tray, I can put them into the oven. The reason I put them onto a baking tray is so the cheese does not melt all over the oven. You're going to want to bake them until the cheese starts to melt. The bagels have been baking for 4 minutes, so now we're going to take them out. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 12 years old. If I can make pizza bagels, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.